Redmi K20, as we already know, is a flagship from the brand that is launching on May 28 in China and would eventually launch in other markets like India as well. The company has already revealed some of the specifications of the phone like the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, a 14 megapixel primary rear camera, a 4000 mAh battery and an in-display fingerprint scanner. Still, one thing that we did not know until now was the design from the rear. We know that on the front the K20 has a bezel-less and notch-less display since there is a pop-up selfie camera. But now the company revealed the design of the K20 from the rear, and so here is our very first look at the Redmi K20 from the rear. The moment you see this image, you will definitely be impressed by that gradient finish on the rear glass panel, as it is not like any other phone with a gradient design. The gradient back panel shows these wave-like patterns when the light falls on it and they look beautiful. And yes, this is just one of the few color options that the Redmi K20 is coming in. The image also revealed that triple camera setup on the rear, so this official image confirms that the Redmi K20 indeed has a triple camera setup on the rear and it is placed vertically in the middle, with the topmost camera lens having a ring around it like on the Xiaomi Mi 9. The primary rear camera, as we already know, has a 14 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor. So what do you think of the design of Redmi K20? Do let me know via the comment section below. As always, I will catch you in the next one.